Hello and welcome to another tutorial. This is the Universal Display Mockup. Universal Display Mockup is a mockup for tablets and smartphones presentation. Either you have an app or a website or just images and video, you can use this mockup to present and promote your work. This is the preview sequence as you see it in the preview video on Video Hive. This comb is the main comb for the smartphones. This is all the gestures. This is all the icons. Now this. And this is all the tablets. So if you want to select the smartphone or the tablet, you go to one of these sequences, and here you can see every available option to select. So let's begin. Let's choose a smartphone. You can select smartphone either by double-clicking this main comb, which, as we said before, has all the available options for a smartphone. Here you can see the file name and the duration. Another way to select is if you go to the asset in this project view, you can see that here are the tablets and the smartphones. There are 10 smartphones to choose and 13 tablets. So let's choose a smartphone. Let's say we choose this one. By double-clicking this smartphone, you can see that there is a green layer here to edit the text and a red layer to edit the placeholder. This happens to every device here, every display. There is a green layer here to edit the text, and there is a red layer to edit the placeholder. In this case, we have two placeholders and text. Every comb in this composition, every display, every smartphone, every device has its own green layer, which is the text. Let's edit the text here. We double-click and we just edit the text. I think it's very easy to edit the text here. So when you see a green layer, double-click and edit the text. If you don't like to have a text, you just hit the I and you avoid to use the text. You can disable the text. For the placeholder, you're double-clicking every time the red layer. And as you see here, double-click to edit the placeholder here. And in this display, in this smartphone, you have two placeholders. Placeholder A and placeholder B. So you double-click the placeholder A and you import an image, import a file. Let's say you want to import a file. Let's go to the test screens and use this image. Oh, sorry, it's not this. I choose a sequence instead of an image, so I disable the JPEG sequence here. You open the image and you place it above this layer, as you can see here in the gray layer. Okay. You scale it and you place it in your position, in your desired position. So here the first image goes up. This is a slide down, a scroll down, and you edit the second placeholder. Let's go and bring another image here. Let's go to take this chair here or this woman. And here you place the second image or the second screenshots for your site, web, or second screenshot for your app. And now you have your two images with a scroll down move. Now you can go to the scroll down smartphone and here it is. The hand here scrolls down the placeholders. This is the way that this project is made to use. So let's make a tablet here as well. Let's leave the smartphones and let's go to the all tablets comp here. By double clicking this, you go to the 13th tablet, but by using the gestures, tablets are more, because some tablets can be used with different gestures, of course. So we double click a tablet here. I remind you that with a green layer is the text holder, where it is tracked and you can place it wherever you like. Let's say you can place it here. Of course, you have to rotate it. And this is tracked with the position of the tablet or the smartphone. So here in the red layer is the placeholder. Red layers for the placeholder. Edit the first placeholder. Let's place the chair again here. This can be a video as well. Okay. And let's go to the placeholder number 2, B as it is written in this project. You place your image, like this, and then you go here and do the scroll. Here, this was not scaled in the right way. That's why we had some black here. Now we are okay. In this project, as you see, there's color controls that can be used to affect colors, transparencies, and different aspects of this comp. So, as you see here, this is the placeholder opacity. As you see, I can affect all the placeholders by just using this slider. This is the placeholder for the opposite screens. Let's see, here is an opposite screen, which is not affected by this slider, but by the placeholder opposite opacity, as you see here. Is a different placeholder opacity for the displays which are in the opposite direction. The reflection opacity, as you see here. And the gesture reflection, as you see here, there is a mirroring or reflection of the gesture, which can be affected here, or if you don't like it, you can switch it off. I think a value at 12 is a good idea. I like this value. There is a placeholder roundness, as you see here. If you like to have the placeholder round, it's very nice. This is a button opacity, as you see here. As you see here, only for, let's see, another screen which may show better. Let's see here. As you see, buttons opacity, you can switch it off if you like by using the 0 value. Buttons color, you can change this color here, as you see. I think I like it white. This is the main body opacity here, and the color, if you like to have a different color, like this. This is the body roundness, not the placeholder roundness. This is the body, this is a placeholder. Okay. Text color, you can change the text color. Text opacity, as you see. Status bar opacity. Status bar can be changed and use another icons instead of Wi-Fi, battery or time. You can change that. Bar color and icons color. As you see here, the icons, you can have it in white. So these are the color controls. I think it's more than you will need. There are also some color presets here. As you see, by checking preset number 2, you see this nice color preset effect, or 3, or other presets. I think it's useful, but you can make your own color correction to the final movie. So, thanks for buying this project. I hope you like it, and don't forget to rate it in your download section. I will appreciate that. Thank you.